Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do an install of a pull-out cabinet drawer. This one's by Home Zone Living. These simple drawers are very easy to install and does not take much effort. I will put the link below to this drawer or this pull-out cabinet. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe. I'll be doing this real time so you see exactly how long it takes and how easy this is to do. First of all, I went ahead and just placed this one in the cabinet. I really haven't put any screws in. Here's my screw-in package. Here are the tools I need. Basically, I need a Phillips screwdriver, and I need a drill bit, just a small drill bit. And right now, how I did this, I've already put this in. I've kind of just placed it in. I know it closes the door right there, and it doesn't hit. How do I measure this? Well, I measure this with the template that's given, 2 inches right there, and it's just perfectly lined up. That's how you do that. And then on the side, right over here, make sure you just have a little bit, basic finger width space right in between, so that part doesn't hit when you try to pull the drawer out. You want to get it kind of close, but not too close. Probably within 1/4 of an inch is about all the space you need from basically this screw to that bar right here. All right, I have nothing actually screwed in right now. I just placed it in as this is a very easy cabinet to do. So I'm gonna start taking this out. So once you have it measured, kind of put in place and where you want it, you take everything apart. So this is that top basket. I'm gonna take this out and put it to the side. And then right here, I'm going to take this out and put this to the side. Notice I'm very careful to not move that bottom bracket. Now, none of this is screwed in yet, so I am going to get started. I'm going to show you how screwing this in really doesn't take much of an effort. The first one I need to do is I'm going to screw this, or get this middle thing in right here, and just get it centered and start drilling that hole. Oh, I have a bad drill bit right here. Now, let me switch out to my other drill bit. For some reason, this is an older drill bit. Did not know that it went bad. I have a spare drill bit here, good thing. Let's try that again. Get that in here. Get that hole drilled. There you go. That's good enough. And then I'm going to get the back one drilled too. Get this back one right here. All right. And then go and get my bag of screws out. Right here. And there's 2 types of screws, or 3 types of screws for this. Here's the thicker ones. These are for the here's the 4 that's going to hold this to the bottom, and then 2 these are going to hold the bar to the side. You'll see me put those in. And there's 10 screws just to go on the bottom. Here are the 5 for the front portion, and here are the 5 for the back portion. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, take that out, and then I'm going to get my screwdriver, put that back in. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to put in the front screw. We'll drill that in. Not too tight because I don't want to move everything yet. So now I'm gonna get that back one there too. Now that I kind of got that in, put that in tight. There you go. Now that is in tight. Now to do the rest of the 4, and I don't need this anymore to measure. To do the rest of it, I need to drill all these out. Now I'm going to move this a little bit out. and then drill the rest of the holes. One right there. One right there. And there. Right there. And a few more. That pipe's going to get in the way, but I'm going to get these in. Try to get that exactly in the middle. Got that one. I need to move you a little bit to the side so I can get this one over here with my left hand. I'm a right-handed person. There we go. And one more. Okay, now all we have to do is put the screwdrivers in. Now I'm going to change my bit, take that out, and put my screwdriver bit in, and get the rest of these. And I'm just drilling just so I don't crack any of the wood. That's that one. You see the control also on the drill. If you don't have that control, you might want to practice using your drill a little bit. But this is the only tool that we really need. Yep. I am here. One more right there. That's what's cool about this. It's actually pretty easy to get all this done. All right, 4 more in the back. Let's get these in. Okay, get another one. 2 more. There we go. And a couple more. Move you to the side because I can't reach with the camera in front of me. There we go. Then the last one. There we go. And then now we have this that pulls straight out. Now the next step right here, what we're going to do first, after we get that, we're going to take this. And there's one screw I need to put in before we put this completely in. And this is the small screw that holds this in place, or this bar in place. This bar comes straight off, right like that. But I have 2 screws. I need to get this to hold this in place. So the first screw is going to come right here. Right here, if you can see that. You get the holes lined up. You get this screw in. And all this does is just holds this bar so it doesn't come in and out. And I can't see the hole. There we go. That's where the hole is, about right there. screwdriver over here. And don't need it that tight. I need to do the same thing on the back side. Just basically showing you guys what I'm doing here. One more screw right there in the back. Line the hole for this thing. Sorry, you can't see over my hand. I don't know if I have a better position to do this in. All right, where's that hole? Maybe I just use a screwdriver. It might help me get this into the hole better. Okay, there you go. Got that in. So those two screws get this little top bar secured. And then the last 4 screws I'm going to place on here. And we're just going to screw down into this. And then that's right here. 4 more screws. That goes there. I'm going to do these in a star configuration. So because this front one, get this back one. All right. Get this one right here. There we go. Then get this front one right here. And that's it. All right. See how that closes in? That's cool. All right. And then we're basically done, and all I have to do is hang this. And let me see if I can show that to you. This top one. It's a cool little caddy that can come out. Take this, and it just hangs right here. And that's it. That's how you install this. Quick and simple, easy install. Goes right in, and you see how it misses my pipe right here. Again, when you buy this, you have to make sure you miss those pipes. Comes straight out, goes straight in, and just closes. Very, very neat. Let me show you this over here. Closes right there. Got a little bit of room right there. Open and close. This is a nice addition to any cabinet, so I suggest you guys getting one of these. Make sure you measure your cabinets before you buy these for the lengths. But yeah, this is an easy install. It takes about 10 minutes. All right, have a good day.